In this video, we will show you how to send money from Western Union to Nepal. If you guys want to get started with Western Union, you can use the links down in the description. Visit westernunion.com and ensure you are logged in. Select Nepal as the country where you want to send money. Enter the amount you wish to send and verify the amount your recipient will receive. Choose how your receiver wants to receive the money, bank account or cash pickup. Select your preferred payment method, such as paying online with a credit card, bank account, Google Pay, or debit card. Choose bank account as the delivery method and click on continue. Log in again if prompted by entering your password. Enter your receiver's first name and last name, along with their address. Provide the receiver's bank account information. Review all entered details carefully and click on continue to finalize the transaction. So that is how to send money from Western Union to Nepal. Make sure to use the links down in the description to get started with Western Union. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.